Whoops. All right guys, today we're going to make the pencil box. It is simply a little box that can hold pens and pencils. I keep this one on our homeschool desk to just hold my dry erase markers and my pencils. Really nifty, very handy, quick to construct. So what you're going to need to make this, you're going to need scissors, some cardstock, a pencil, a ruler. You do not need glue for this one, and some tape. You can also use glue, of course. All right, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to construct a 9 by 4 inch square. So I'm gonna make a mark at 9 inches down here. And I'm gonna draw a line up to 4. Then I'm gonna draw a line all the way to the edge. Whoops. 9 by 4 inch square. Go ahead and cut that out. All right. So now what we are going to do is create 1 inch boxes on the side. So since this is 9 inches, you're gonna place a line at 1 inches, and then at this side, you're gonna place a line at 8 inches. So 1 inch from here, 1 inch from here. Then just go up and do it up here. A line at 1 inch, and a line at 8 inches. You're gonna turn this, and place a line at 1 inch, and a line at 3 inches. A line at 1 inch and a line at 3 inches. Are you somebody who moves your paper, or are you somebody who moves your ruler? Which one are you? I think I'm both. All right, so now we're gonna draw lines. So I'm just gonna draw a line up to 1 inch. I'm gonna stick it like this and do these. So now we're just drawing the lines in. Mine are not perfect again. All right, so now we're going to cut these lines here. So on the short edge, cut that 1 inch line. All right, now it says to fold on the lines. So I'm gonna fold here. Gonna fold there. Hey guys, I'm trying to film, please be quiet. Fold here. And then you want to crease the folds. Make sure they're nice and straight. And then you're simply going to fold on the lines and crease the folds. He said to paste the laps inside. So I guess we're gonna paste those inside here. Now we're gonna do this side. We're gonna place these inside, fold this up, and paste. Now I have two. I'm gonna use one for the dry erase markers, one for my pens. There we are, the pencil box.